Namaste children, this is Shweta, your maths teacher. Let me start today's class. In our previous class, we already started chapter 4, that is tick, tick, tick. We continue that only. Here Rani's diary. See, in Rani's diary, she noted some points that only she is discussing here. Come, let's go to see my new baby sister. Rani is discussing with her friends. Come, let's go to my house. In my house the small baby sister is there. Let me see. And ma, I have brought sweets for Munia. See, Rani's sister name is Munia, the smaller sister, younger sister name is Munia. She is telling she brought sweets for Munia, but mother is telling, what mother is telling, see here, but she cannot eat. She is too small. She is too small, she cannot eat the sweets, and she does not even talk. And she does not even talk also. Mother is telling, and mother is also telling she will start doing all this slowly as she grown up. See, slowly she will do each and everything. So, slowly she will grown up. No, on that time she will do everything. She will walk. She will eat everything. And here, see, the months they are given: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months in a year. See, here are some pages from Rani's diary. Here, in some Rani's diary, some pages they are given. See here, I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking. Munia is a Rani's sister. See, Rani, what she did means when she walk, when she eat, when she was talk. So that thing she noted in her diary. That only they are given here. 5th March 2005, Munia is born today. That is 5th March, Munia born. 15th September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. And 10th November 2005, Munia sat up. 20th November 2005, Munia started crawling. 5th January 2006, Munia stood up. 5th September 2006, Munia ate a banana. 2nd February 2006, Munia started walking. See, these things she noted when it was doing, when slowly she is grown up now. So on that time she will do everything. Mother already told. So that thing only when she is walking, talking, everything she notes in her diary. Here, what is the question means? Mark this in the correct order on Munia's timeline. So you have to mark that things in a correct order. You know, see here, the correct order on Munia's timeline is given below. You know that March month means what month it is? Third month, right? So you have to write as per the date. 5th March 2005 means 5/3 2005. What she did, Munia was born. And 15th September 2005, Munia got her first tooth. So 15 September means 9th month. September means 9th month. 15th, 15/9/2005 got her first tooth. And 10th November 2005, Munia sat up. 10th November 11 2005. November is 11th month. So 10/11/2005, Munia sat up. And 20th November 2005, that is November means 11th month only. So 20th November 2005 started crawling. And 5th January 2006, 5th January means 1 2006 year, it is changed because it is January next year. So she stood up. On 5th 9 2006, she ate banana. And 2nd February means second month. So 2nd February started walking. So these things she did. So that is the theme line. Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old when was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? So you have to find how many, at what month she got the first tooth, and how many months passed over. That thing you have to find here. Munia was born when? So Munia was born on 5th March 2005, and she got first tooth is 15/9 September, that is 15 September 2005, 15/9/2005 she got her first tooth. So there are 10 more days. See, if you compare the date, here she born 5th and she got 15th. 5 and 15, what is the difference? There is a 10 more days, it is difference for 15/9/2005. Therefore Munia was, and months also you need to find. Here March month, here it is September month. See, year is the same, so no need to find year. Same year only, but month is changed. So 3rd to 9th. How many months is passed over? There are 6 months passed over. 6 months, 11 days. See, 10 more days from birth date. Birth date also you have to find. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 days old when she got her first tooth. From March to September, it is 6 months have passed. Like this, you have to find. How old was Munia when she first sat up? When she first sat up, how old was she? She she got her first tooth. Munia was 8 months and 6 days old when she sat up first time. Munia was 8 months and 6 days old when she sat up first time. Okay. And Munia was 6 months and 11 days old. She got first tooth. You already find this, and you know that the birth date, and from that, at what time she sat up, you have to find. So there is 8 months and 6 days. What did she do first? Walking or eating a banana? Which she did first? She did eating a banana first, right? Crawling or standing? Crawling she did. She ate banana first. She started crawling first. And Ronnie had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grows like this. See, Ronnie also have pet puppy. She after 2 weeks, it slowly opened its eyes. This point also she gave, and see you can observe here. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, see when it born, after 2 weeks it slowly opened. After 3 weeks, what it happened means it got its first teeth and started eating. For first teeth it got, and it start heated eating. After 4 weeks it started walking around but was still moving. See, after 4 weeks it slowly started walking and around, but still, so very small place she, yeah, it was walking, that is it was around there, here and there only, and still it is moving. And after it was full set of teeth by the time of it was 7th month. When it was 7th month, so it got all the teeth. And after 1 year it was grown up dog, and got it was its own puppy after 1 year. So the puppy was grown up, and it will become the grown up dog, and it is also give on its own puppy. Yeah, now make the timeline of this dog life in your notebook. Timeline, you know that how to make a timeline. You already know in your see here in your next last problem, that is Rani's diary. Munia, so when he born, when he ate banana, so the things you did timeline, no? So for this also you have to do like that only. Note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppy. When the positions they are given, started walking, ate food for the first time, got the first tooth. So when Munia started walking, so at what age, and puppy at what age? And eat banana, eat food at what age? Puppy and Munia. So both you have to find here. By seeing that, you can note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppy is as follows. See, started walking Munia after 11 months of her birth. Munia started walking, but Rani puppy after 1 month only it will be started walking. Ate food at the first time. The Munia ate food at 6 months after her birth, but this Rani's puppy after 3 weeks of its birth only it started eating food. Got the first tooth 6 months after her birth. Munia got a tooth first after 6 months of her birth, but puppy, Rani's puppy, after 3 weeks only it got. N, a cow, a bird. The animals give gives above grow in the following order: a bird, a hen, and a cow. Here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph who looks the oldest to you. See here, elephant Appu grandfather 95 years old, Chuchu rat's grandfather 2 years old, Rani's grandfather 70 years old. You can see, you can only tell who looks the oldest to you. Yes. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Will Chuchu grandfather ever grown as old as Appu grandfather? How many younger is Chuchu's rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? This question you have to answer now. First, how much older is Appu grandfather than Rani's grandfather? See, elephant Appu grandfather age is 95 years, right? Appu grandfather age is 95 years old. Rani's grandfather age is 70 years old. So what is the difference? How much older is Appu grandfather means you have to difference here. You have to subtract here. So always for bigger number you have to take first. So 95 minus 70 is 25 years. So here Appu's grandfather is older than Rani's grandfather. How much older? 25 years older than Rani's grandfather. Will Chuchu's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? No, it will not grow. That's it. The see, each it is more time. So like that, it is Chuchu's rat grandfather age 2 years old. Rani's grandfather age 70 years old. Difference in their age is 70 minus 2 is 68 years old. Therefore, Chuchu Rat's grandfather is 68 years younger than Rani's grandfather, right? You need to find difference, right? That's it. Now, write which dates these stands for. 5/5/2006, 5th May 2006. See here they are given in the numbers. You have to write in the months by using months. 25 means 5th means which month? That is a May month. So the date is 20 May 2006. Year is 2006. 7/6/2006. 6 means which month? June month. So the date is 7th June 2006. So 1/1/2007. Instead of writing like that, so shortly you can write 1st Jan 2007. Like this also you can write the dates in the standard form. It is called a standard form. So 1st Jan 2007. Write these dates in numbers. In numbers means already you know that the numbers, converting numbers into words, words into numbers, like that only here. 1st June 2006. June means which month? 6th month. So 1/6/2006. 30th May 2006. 30/5/2006. 10th August 2007 means 10/8/2007, because August is the 8th month. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? From Ajmer, Atif wrote the letter on 1/5/2006. Shaban got the letter on 6/5/2006 in Nagpur. So the letter took 5 days to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur. How many days will Atif spend at his Nani's place? On 5/5/2006, Atif went to his Nani's place. 5/5 means it is a May 5th. May 5th, 2006, Atif went to his Nani's place. And 25/2006, that is until 20 stay there only. He returned back from there. On 20th, he returned back to their home. So how many days is spent in their granny's house? There are 15 days. You need to find it. 15 days at Nani's place is spent. Fill in the table. Shabana's holiday and Atif holiday. You have to do it this. See here. Shabana's holiday, from dates, number of dates, you can write this tabular column like this only, and you can fill it. From 1st June 2006 to 10th August 2006. There are 70 days, number of days. 1st May 2006, Atif holiday. 30th June 2006, that is 60 days. Who got the longer holiday, Shabana or Atif? So here Shabana got the 70 days holiday. On 15th May 2009, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if this butter was safe or to eat. See, children, when you go to shop, if you are purchase something, you have to see there must and should it is. What does this means? When it is packed and when it is expired. See, expiry date and manufacture date you have to must and should you have to see anything if you purchase. It was written on the packet best before 180 days from the date of packing. See, then he checked the date of packing. It is 15/1/2006. So then how many days over you have to find. In which month was the butter packed? The butter was packed 15th Jan. 1 means January 2006. Which month will it be 180 days after 15/1/2006? See, you have to find this. Let us calculate 180 days from the date of manufacture. Days in January. How many days in January there are? Because already 15 days over. So still 17 days are there in January. In February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days. All you have to find. So totally 167 days it will come. So remaining days is you already know 180 days. Best before 180 days you have to find this minus 167 days. Remaining days you have to find is equal to 13 days. So hence the date will be the 13th July 2006. You have to find like this. So 13th July 2006 it was packed. So here already it was 15th 1 2006 um, until 13th July 2006 that packet will they can use. Can Chandran heat it on 15th May 2006? Yes, he can heat. It was it on 15th May 2006. Before that only you need to film. That is before expiry date. You should be finish it that. Which are the other things that come with an expiry date? Every product comes with an expiry date. Cool drinks, medicine, biscuit, sweets have an expiry date. Everything. On the cough syrup, it was written. You can see if you in your home any cough syrups or any syrup, any bottle, if it is there it will be a manufacture date and also a expiry date. This shows it was made in. See in this medicine bottle, you can see observe cough syrup. It is this shows it was made in July 2003. 7/3 means July 2003. Expiry date is 7/5. That is, see here. This shows the month and the year till, that is 7 means July only. July 2005. Till when it was safe to take. Okay. What month and year is written on 7/5? Would it be safe to take the cough syrup in September 2005? See, they are given only a July 2005. If you take the September 2005, it is not safe. The month and the year is written as 7 2005, which shows that is July 2005. No, it is not safe to take the cough syrup in September 2005 because it is expiry, already expiry. So they are given only this much time you have to take. Within that you have to finish. Look at this chart. It tells the difference between your watch and 24 clock. Try to complete it. See here, 24 you know that 12-hour clock only you can see in your homes and all, but 24-hour clock where you can see in the railway station, in the airports. So here the 24-hour clock only they are using. Let me see time by your watch 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, in the 24-hour clock it shows 13 hours. So 2 o'clock means it is 14 o'clock, 14 hours. 13 or 30, 3 o'clock means it is 15 hours. 3:30 in the afternoon means it is 15:30 hours it will show, because 3 o'clock means 15, so 15:30. 6 o'clock means in the evening means it is 18 hours. 9 o'clock in the evening means 21 hours. 12 o'clock at midnight means 24 hours. So like that you need to Add one because 12 hours, you know that after 12 1, 13, 14, 15, like that. Now, can you tell 24-hour clock is called so? We know the 24-hour in a clock, 24-hour in a day. So the 24 hours clock shows the time for entire day. Therefore, it called as 24-hour clock. So it is called as 24-hour clock. Okay. So that is the reason they are it is called 24-hour clock. Suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night, the time written on the railway ticket would be. So what is the time? 8 means how much? See, you can count. One. Where have you seen 24-hour clock? Railway station, airport, bus stand. See, this is the activity I will give you. You read this question, how we did that Munia's activity, the timeline and all like that only. So you have to write this and send a pic to